What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Kaspa or KAS, which is up 18.7% today at 14 cents. We have a $3.7 billion market cap with 2,500,000 billion coins in circulation out of 28 billion. All-time high on this was 4 months ago at 20 cents. We're only down 29.3% from that all-time high. All-time low was 2 years ago. If you would have bought 2 years ago, you'd be up 856x. Absolutely insane gains there, guys, for 2 years. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on KAS. All right, everybody, let's get into KAS here. This is what we had drawn last video. I don't remember what I said. I just had this little horizontal line drawn and said it's going to bounce off of it. And apparently that's what happened. Wasn't right on the time frame, but it bounced off it nonetheless, which is the support going back to December of 2023. On top of that, we did print a green buy signal here on the 2-day. First green buy signal on the 2-day WTX ever, which is awesome heading into this parabolic phase of the bull run. If we go to the 1-day chart, very similar to the 1-day chart, we printed multiple buy signals on the WTX on the 1-day chart. On top of that, the RSI, the one thing that's kind of concerning is the RSI is starting to retrace. We've been putting in lower highs and lower lows since November 2023. So keep a close eye on that. And the MACD is pretty indecisive today with an engulfing candle. Now, short-term TA, if we actually remove this and go from the high, go from this high, I believe it's this high to this low. Yeah, this is what we're running into, that 618 area. So we're running into that 618, which is a pretty heavy resistance area. If you don't know what the 618 fib is, just do a little bit of research and you'll know. You'll find out. If I draw a horizontal line at that 618, you can see some confluence around that price going all the way back to June of 2024. We bounced off it as support several times from June of 2024 all the way till September of 2024. So there's a lot of, I guess you can say, resistance at that price range. So what happened is we got rejected off it, went back down to the 236 area, and now we're working our way back up to that 15 cents range, which I think we're gonna be hitting here pretty dang soon. We need to get over this 15, 16 cents range on this next candle because we do not, I repeat, do not want to have a double top come in. Double tops are bearish, in which case you'd probably just see a reset back down to here and then a movement to the upside. Now, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, which gives us a little bit more detail on the short term, this is looking great, absolutely great. After this long-term bearish movement from November 12th to the 14th, we actually crossed back over bullish here. Look at how deeply bearish we went here from the 13th. We haven't been that bearish since August 4th, guys, which is back here when we saw the heavy wick to the downside. On top of that, the RSI had a nice V-shaped bottom, putting in a higher low here on the 4 hours, also coming in as a double bottoms in crypto. W's are bullish, M's are bearish. You can see an M right here, that's bearish, as you can see, and usually W's are bullish and they come up here. So KAS in the short term now does look pretty dang good, and looks like the candle just started forming in here. So I'd be keeping an eye on that 15, 16 cents range. If KAS happen to get over 16 cents, that's when we're really going to start seeing a push to the upside back to our all-time high price at about 21 cents. Then once we get up there, the fun is going to begin. But in the short term, I'm going to call it, we're probably heading up to 16 cents. Once we get there, keep a very, very close eye on it. That's going to be a very heavy resistance area. But if we do happen to break it, that is what's going to cause the catalyst, the snowball effect, which surprisingly from the bottom here of November 5th, you can see the slight uptrend forming here, this expanding wedge starting to form. So who knows? Who knows? I mean, we could see something like this, boom, and then shoot all the way back up here and put in a new all-time high on the expanding wedge. So fantastic. Kaspa's looking good. Yeah, Casper's looking good in the short term, guys. So just keep an eye on that 16 cents. That's going to be the real storyteller. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.